There.
Baby, he's a funny girl. Okay.
You can't. Spider web up there?
Look at that. Look at that, Daddy.
Hold on.
Don't be the spider web. Don't be
The spider web?
spider web.
There's one. There's one, Jackson. Look, look.
Get it. Go over here. Go, let Jackson get it.
Where's?
Okay, now come up this way. There's some up here, maybe out towards the front.
There's one right here.
Okay, none up the stairs. Come out the. Oh, the Easter Bunny left the gate open. Over this way. Come here. This way.
There's some over here.
See one? Uh-oh, you missed one. I think you missed one. Okay, keep going.
Boy, Easter Bunny. Jackson, 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 look. Look, Jackson.
Oh, sorry.
Maddox, look, on the ground. Look, in front of you.
Nothing in there.
Oh, did somebody get it?
Somebody must have got it. Is that it? I think that might be about it. I think the Easter Bunny left a lot of eggs inside the house. Wow! What you got? Huh? Let me see.
Let's see.
Wow! Maybe you should give some to your brother to even it out a little. There you go.
Okay.
That's good.
Only Jackson.
Easter 2012? It's a nice owl.
I bet Aunt Sandy and Aunt Candy will. Uh-oh, is there a slug on that one? There's a slug on that one.
Yeah.
Slug. Let's make sure there's no more slugs. Yeah, they sat out. They must have sat out there half the night. The Easter Bunny left them in the middle of the night when you were sleeping. Count them out even?
Jackson, don't take mine. I have to count yours. I have to count yours.
Hey, Maddox.
Maddox?
I'm gonna even them out. I'm gonna count mine first, and then I'm gonna. Jax,
Maddox.
put that back.
Hey, don't talk to me.
I
Maddox.
wanted to put that
That's
back.
okay. That's okay. Maddox. Leave his alone. You count yours.
That's mine.
Go ahead and count them.
Count them.
That's mine.
You can still count them.
Jackson, can you put that back in my pile? Don't
Watch out. Watch out.
I'm gonna count mine first, and then I'm gonna count yours.
How about you count all of them and then
Maddox?
Jackson can count all of them?
Count.
Whoever has the most, if I have the most, I'll give some to you, and then if you have the most, you'll get some to me.
That's a good big brother.
That's a good idea, Maddox. Thank you. Okay, count them. Count them and put them in your baskets.
Jackson, I count mine first, okay? Then I'll count yours. Then, if I have the most, I'll get some. I have 16, so yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So in order to make it even, how many do you have to give Jackson?
1. Okay, so. Okay, so that's 11, and I have to give you a 9, and that's 13, and
Now recount yours. There you go.
I want me more. I have.
No. You lost count, so you count them. I think you guys are even now.
Okay. We don't have to. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 12.
No.
13, so you got
There's an uneven amount, right? So one person's always going to have more.
No, because Jackson had 10, Maddox had 16. He gave him 3.
Oh. It should be even.
that's 15.
Why don't you count them one by one and put them in your basket so you don't lose track? Okay?
1,
There you go.
No, it's 2.
3.
no, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13. Now count his into his basket. Let's count them into your basket and see if you have the same amount.
Pour yours out. Because I have to count yours and then. Okay, so 1, put this in.
It's funny.
Oh, man. It's okay. That's in. You don't have to put it together. Why? Okay, so we have 1 now. Put 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13. You each have 13. Even.
Oh, there's 100 cards. Oh, that's just a ball. that was it.
All right, I think that's it. Maybe when Aunt Sandy and Aunt Candy come, we can hide them again.
My baby.
This one's empty.
Mom, I think there's some in the ground.
I don't think so.
Maybe. Mom, can you just open it? But maybe there's some in there, and then we can get more.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
That's right. Okay, I'm turning it off. Bye.